Shadows tremble, skies grow wide. Silent strength we cannot hide. Every breath becomes a flame, guiding us through loss and pain.
Whispers rising soft and clear, carrying hope against the fear. Every moment, every call lifts us higher through it all.
The dawn is near, the night is gone.
A quiet rhythm moving on.
Through the storm we stand as one.
Dreams ascending, never undone.
The light will carry strong and clear. Through the storm we persevere.
Every moment, every song
Keeps us steady,
keeps us strong.
echoes carved in endless storm. Stories tell we're not alone.
Every scar becomes a flame, calling softly out our name. Golden sparks across the sky, dreams that never say goodbye. Every silence turns to sound. Hope is rising all around.
Whispers turn to fire. Dreams that live